We are here outside of the Stella Nova Resort here at Universal Orlando, one of the new hotels that's right near Epic Universe. We've stayed here the last couple of days, so we wanted to show you around.
Do a little tour.
Start from the outside. Look at this awesome, the awesome exterior, the space shuttle kind of theme. But yeah, let's take you for a little tour around. So the beginning of the hotel is kind of like a black hole. That is swallowed, that you get like sucked into, which is really cool.
Sounds really weird and gross.
So
We'll wait for the next.
You can get through here. You got to time your
entrance.
Go through here. Now this is the massive lobby area. Very like Men in Black themed, I feel. Like not officially Men in Black, but
But they did have the Men in Black here when they opened, which is kind of fun.
So directly on your right is Universal Studios store for all your merch needs. We'll go through there in a second, but we'll show you the main lobby first. So directly on your left is your luggage service. This comes in really handy.
Yeah, so if you come here early before check-in, or you want to get to the park after you check out on your last day, you can just stash your luggage there, and they'll keep it nice and safe for you.
Yeah.
And they have the system's pretty down pat.
Yeah. And then also just on your left here, this is the very large like check-in area. So your reception, all of that good stuff for the hotel needs. But then on your right here is the vacation planning center. So this is where you get any of your theme park stuff handled.
All of your park tickets and stuff.
Tickets, picking up stuff or purchasing tickets. You can also buy like lanyards and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Then as we go directly straight ahead, we have the Nova Bar. So let's walk through here. This is it's not open now because it is early in the morning, but it is like a full bar here with beers and liquor, and you can watch a whole bunch of stuff. So it's a nice little bar in the lobby.
Yeah, and it's got like tons of beers on top, like some Voodoo Ranger, Modelo, Mango Cart. So a solid mix of craft, a Sierra Nevada Pale Ale.
Yeah.
So a solid mix of craft and your standards.
It's pretty good, yeah. And then these little funky chairs.
Which are actually super comfortable.
They don't look it right. They look super uncomfortable, but
they're like very plush and like...
From a distance, they look like really hard plastic, but they're
super
soft.
comfortable. I also want to say there's a lot of people in here right now.
Yeah.
There's a full school group. We'll go over there in a second, over by the cafe. And the sound absorption in here is actually really good.
Yeah.
Like you can hear chattering and murmuring, but it could easily feel a lot louder, and they really designed it well to absorb the sound.
Agreed. And you can see like also everywhere, like here too, there is like this space themed wallpaper, which is kind of throughout the place. And even in the carpets and stuff too, they've got like all those other galaxy stuff. Okay, now we come around to the Cosmos Cafe and Market. So this is sort of split up into two parts. The market here, this is like your, funnily enough, your cafe. I think it's weirdly, I almost feel it should be the other way around. But anyway, the market is the cafe, has the proudly serving like Starbucks drinks.
Exhibit A.
Yeah, Marissa has in her hand. So you can get all your sort of like just general lattes, cold brews, frappes, all that kind of stuff. They don't have everything, but they have majority of Starbucks drinks.
Lots of basics, lots of
grab and go
beverages. They also have cans of beer and wine that you can get to take with you. They have snacks and cereal.
Yeah.
And they also have a selection of hot food items as well.
Yep.
So one of the things we discovered is you can get the bacon, egg, and cheese bagel sandwich for like $9.99.
Yeah.
Whereas if you get it from the
it's like $15
cafe,
or something.
It's $15.
Yeah.
So, and they also have ice cream, and you can get like milkshakes
and stuff. Yeah. So this is your general kind of like just grab and go store.
Yeah.
And then you come through to the cafe, and this is sort of, you have all your seating here, nice little seating area, and then even more seating in here. So this is where you order your meals. So like they have breakfast, lunch, and dinner here. So you can come here whenever you want. I think they open from like 7 in the morning.
Yeah.
And they're open fairly late. So it's a nice big area here to. They got their Coke Freestyle machines that you can buy resort specific cup from for your stay.
You can get a Bloody Mary.
Yeah. So they got a bar there too. Okay. So, yeah.
I think it's canned.
Yeah, and these are, you can see all lined up here. This is where you can get your like Stella Nova Resort, like freestyle cups. So,
And once again, there's about 60 school children over there in line for food.
Yeah.
And it's not that loud.
It's not, yeah.
They really did
Maybe
a fabulous job.
The children are particularly not as loud. I don't know. Or it's just very good at sound absorption.
I think they did a really good job with sound absorption.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of people in here and it's not bad.
So I think now let's do a quick little walk through the Universal Studios store, show you that.
Do you want to go through that entrance, come out here to do...
Yeah, let's go to the front entrance.
Yeah, we'll go through the front. So you can kind of see everything we showed you from the other angle.
And I think this looks actually really cool here.
It does look really
looking
cool.
into the outside. The sun kind of reflects off that like black hole in the floor and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we are here right now during the preview time for Epic Universe. So you can see there it's all the stuff for Epic, and the store is very Epic focused, being a resort right near Epic. So let's see here. It's a decent sized store.
Yeah.
It's a decent sized store here. Whole bunch of Epic Universe merch, Harry Potter, Super Nintendo.
Yeah, they kind of hit a little bit of each
Each of the worlds.
Each of the worlds. All your Ministry of Magic.
You got some Dark Universe stuff.
All your Isle of Burke, which we love.
But yeah, this is a nice little shop. It doesn't have everything, but it has some.
But if you're somebody that you want to go to the park for the first time with some merch,
you can come pick up a shirt or a lanyard or whatever.
Ears.
A headband, yeah, like you got your.
They've really kind of gotten onto the train that Disney started of the ears.
Headbands and stuff,
and they've just kind of like rolled with it.
Yeah.
And it's really cute.
But yeah, you can see, so there's two entrances, we just came through
The back
this side, which is what we showed you earlier, like the Nova bar is then around here. So you can kind of loop through here.
I will also add there is a lobby restroom down that hallway.
Yes, so
just after the reception desk.
After reception desk, there is a bathroom there. We don't need to go in there, but that's where it is if you need it, because that's very handy too. When you're we find we'll get here, and before we drop our bags off to go into the park for the day, like when our room's not ready, we'll like change our shoes and grab the park essentials, throw them in our suitcase.
Do a little swap around.
Do a little swap around. And then conversely, if you're leaving, on the day you're leaving, if you then want to leave your bag, but you want to go into the park, come before you go to the airport, come change your shirt or whatever if you're sweaty and stuff like that. So the lobby's very large to do that, and the bathrooms are pretty good.
Yeah.
So, right next to the Universal Studios store, there is an Avis rental car desk right here, and this is the elevator bank just to go up to your rooms.
I think you could also walk over to the fitness center through that way.
You can also walk to the fitness center. Yeah, let's do that.
We haven't walked through.
We actually haven't. We've never in our entire lives went to a fitness center in a hotel, but
you could have just ended that sentence. Oh no, you've been to a gym.
I've been to a gym for a small amount of time, but so. Yeah, if you walk past the elevator bank, walk down here.
So there's a little arcade room.
Yeah, so this is your gaming arcade here. Oh, you need a key to get in here. Oh, the keys are in our pockets, but we can just show you here.
It doesn't open till 8 a.m.
Okay.
What cute little arcade area.
Yeah,
it's like a rainy day or something.
They have Mario Kart, Jurassic Park, a whole bunch of claw machine stuff.
It's cute.
Yeah, it's pretty good if you need something to do or the kids have to come and play.
Yeah. There is a conference room.
They call it the rec center, but it just looks like a general conference room.
Yeah.
If you're holding a business event here.
Yeah.
And then keep going down and you come to, looks like there's some more additional rooms on this lower floor, so that's that hallway there.
And then
but this is
a decent sized gym.
The fitness center. So once again, I don't want to break my streak of not being in a hotel fitness center, so we're just going to stay on the outside.
There's locker rooms.
Yeah, there's lockers, and so you can change and store all your stuff.
Yeah.
If you need to get changed or something in there. Which is nice.
Yeah.
And I think that leads us to, we'll now take you outside. Because it's a very nice outside area.
Yeah.
So we're now backtracking back down here, past the elevators. This hotel does have, I think it's 9 floors. So it's fairly high. We were staying on the 8th floor.
Yeah. It was lovely. We could see We had a parking lot view, but we could see Epic Universe from our room.
Yeah, so if you're staying here, you get two main view choices. I think the standard, sort of the lowest like standard level room is a Epic Universe view. So that looks over the parking lot, but you see Epic Universe. That's
Yeah.
what we had.
Otherwise, you have pool
Honestly,
view.
I'd prefer that. Like, yeah, the
same.
upgrade is the pool, and it's like I don't really want to look at the pool.
No, I want to see the theme park.
I
I'm
see the
paying
theme
money
park,
to go to.
I like that, and you can see like in the evening they like put lights on Helios Grand that's at the park. So even this morning there were some like spotlights shining from it. I think they're testing out some light show stuff in the night when no one's paying attention. But anyway, back to the tour. Here, then you can see these large glass doors here that go outside. So let's go take a look to the outside area.
Oh, it's so nice out today.
It's actually very nice right now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that is what we were just looking at, the gym. So that is the gym right there.
Yep.
Once again, the awesome exterior. This hotel just looks so pretty from the outside.
We said it in our video yesterday, but I really want to find these tiles and redo our bathroom with these tiles because they're so pretty.
Yeah.
And you can see all the sun reflecting off of Terra Nova.
Yeah, that is Terra Luna.
Terra Luna,
the like
sorry.
sister. No, sorry. Stella Nova and Terra Luna.
Terra
yeah,
Luna,
that's
you're
right.
right.
So everyone gets. We've been overhearing everybody.
Everybody keeps messing them
they
up.
mix them up. But yeah, it is right there. It's across like just like a little road, but they're very close to each other.
Slightly further walk if you're staying at
Yeah.
that one.
Yeah.
To the park.
But you can see here, this is a massive. It's not currently open. It's too early. But I'll take you over here. This is all for Stella Nova. All the way to the right there, you can see all the chairs and umbrellas. And it comes around. It is a massive, massive pool area.
Little splash pad area for the little
here.
ones. Huge pool. It's not zero entry, but it's a very easy entry. They also have accessibility lifts if you need it.
Mm-hmm.
They have two of them. They have one for the pool, one for the hot tub, which is on the other side.
Yeah, the hot tub is, as we go over here,
It looks massive too. We didn't go in.
This is the giant pool, and then right on the other side of the pool is a fairly large hot tub, which is nice. And then to the left of that is the Galaxy Cafe.
Galaxy Bar and Grill.
Galaxy Bar and Grill, sorry. That is over there, so you can get drinks, you can order some food.
Some pool bites.
You can see here on all the deck chairs, there's little QR codes, so you can actually order your drinks and food and stuff right from your chair. And then I think you have to go pick it up, or they can bring it to you. I think you can elect what you prefer.
I will, and then we were here last night. They had about 3 or 4 lifeguards on duty when we were here.
Yeah.
They also have like tons of like swim vests for little kiddos. They have like beach balls and pool noodles and all that stuff.
And the water was very warm.
Oh my God,
I was a little
gorgeous.
Sometimes when you go to a new resort, sometimes the pool water might not be like fully warm yet. You know, we've sometimes had that experience before. It is like bath water. It
was lovely.
Yeah, it was so warm and pleasant.
Felt really good to soak a little bit after 20,000 steps in the park.
Yeah. But yeah, that is.
It's lovely.
That's the resort. But we want to show you a couple other things. We're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna show you the room. So let's do that right now.
So we are in our room here at Stella Nova Universal Resort. We have the standard room with 2 queens. So we just thought we'd do a quick room tour. Coming into the door, there's a nice full-size mirror. There's a big wardrobe that will easily fit both our suitcases. There's an ironing board and an extra, I think that's an extra pillow or extra comforter and iron, just in case.
A decent amount of storage.
Huge amount of storage, honestly, for this kind of room. Sink area here. I spot a hairdryer, tissues, towels, all that good stuff. We'll do the bathroom in a second. Unless you want to do the bathroom right now.
We're here.
We're right here. Okay, we'll do it.
It's not. No.
No.
There we go.
All right. Bathroom. Normal toilet space. Hooks. More hooks. Tub shower combo.
I think this hotel does have other. I've seen some videos where it's kind of just like a shower, but
we have a tub shower combo.
I know some people like that, especially if they've got kids and stuff.
Yeah, there's shampoo and conditioner, and then instead of body wash, there is a bar of soap. So just FYI,
Yeah,
that's not
it
your
is.
thing. Cosmic Ember.
Cosmic Ember.
Which I don't know what kind of scent that is, but okay.
The cool
Coffee
divide.
maker.
There's like a divide here, by the
Yeah,
way.
there's a
So
little divider. You can
it's got like a curtain.
so there's a little bit more privacy than in some of our other rooms we've
Yeah.
had recently. Ice bucket, coffee maker. I think this is, there's a little mini fridge down here as well, which is nice. Bunch of drawers, beds, more drawers. There's tons of outlets over here.
Yeah,
by
looks
the
like
bed.
USBs as
There's
well,
USB
which is nice.
and what's the other kind of USB?
It's USB-C and
Yeah.
USB.
Yeah, there's one of those.
Whatever the other one is.
And a nice little couch with like a little pillow on it. And it's like,
Comfy.
okay, yeah, this is actually, I hit my head on this, but this is actually really comfy.
Yeah, a decent sized TV. Too.
Yeah.
You have these
And
cool-
our scenic view overlooking the parking lot.
But you see
But
Epic
you can
though.
see the park in the background.
I do like
which
that
is
they're
really
very
cool.
like spaceship-like, these windows.
These windows are very spaceship. Yeah.
But yeah, so you can see it's the parking lot, but Epic Universe is right there. So it's like it's there. Let me zoom in a bit for you. Here we go. So you can see here, over here is that's the Helios hotel, and then and this is the park right here.
I can tell that this bed's going to be really comfortable.
Yeah, it's a good bed. But no, it's a nice, super nice room. It's got also, if you didn't see before, the space theme in the back.
Yeah.
It reminds me a lot of Aventura, the other Universal property.
Yeah, I was expecting to be reminded of Endless Summer because I think that's the price point it's trying to hit, and there's two of them. But it reminds me a lot more of Aventura.
Seems better. It seems higher quality than Endless Summer.
Yeah.
I
do like that the little do not disturb door thing says dreams are universal, do not disturb. I really like that.
That's cool. Yeah.
Oh, also this is an adjoining room in case I didn't say that.
If you need an adjoining room. But yeah, super nice room. Definitely, yeah, I would stay here again. This is an awesome.
Yeah.
Like,
it's really nice.
Super new, smells new.
It smells new. You can still smell the paint.
All right, that was a room tour. And now the last thing we wanted to show for this hotel is one of its perks is you can just walk to Epic Universe. It's actually really close. And past Grant and Marissa yesterday walked it. And we'll put that little video in now to show you just how far away it is. It's actually really, really easy. Really, like if you're able-bodied and like it's very easy to walk.
Yeah.
And get there. I think it took like 9 minutes.
You can also get a shuttle if you don't or can't walk.
The shuttles are right here, and you just walk past this
and you can,
to start the walk.
You can also get them to City Walk and Volcano Bay.
Yes. So you can, I guess City Walk is the other two theme parks. So yeah, it takes you right to City Walk, and you have to go through City Walk to get to the other parks. Yeah. Yeah. So that's our little tour of Stella Nova Resort here at Universal Studios. We loved it. It was a great hotel.
Perfect theme park hotel.
Not very expensive either. It's actually a pretty affordable option, especially if you're staying at Epic. It makes it if you're on Epic Universe, it's the perfect hotel.
Yep.
Aside from Helios, which you haven't been to yet, but that's very expensive.
It's the perfect, affordable, accessible hotel.
Agreed. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, press that like button and subscribe to see our other videos. And catch you in the next one.